Self-practice 4.13, question 3. The price of a house after n years is given by this equation. So if you want to find the house after 5 years, we sub the n with 5. Or if you want to find after 10 years, you just sub the n with 10. Okay. Determine the minimum number of years. So they want us to find n for the price of the house to exceed 300,000. So this is the price of the house. We want the price to exceed 300,000. We need to find n, the value of n. Okay, so first what we can do is, we can bring this 260,000 over here. So we can say 9 over 8 power n is more than 300,000 over 260,000. So 300 over 260 simplifies to 15 over 13. Okay. Now we need to make n the subject. So if you want to bring n down, we must multiply both sides by log 10. Log 10 is easier. You can either times log 10 or you can times ln. So the short form for log 10 is LG. So I'm going to say log 10 9 over 8n is more than log 10 15 over 13. Okay, must multiply both sides. Now we can bring the n down here. So this can be written as n log 9 over 8. Okay. Now, we want to make n the subject. We bring 9 over 8, log 9 over 8, the other side becomes divide. So it will become log 15 over 13 divide by log 9 over 8. So we put this in our calculator. Log 15 over 13 log 9 over 8. We get 1.215. Okay, since n is more than 1.215 and n must be a whole number, so the next closest value is 2. Okay, so let's check. That means here we found that after 2 years the price will exceed 300,000 for the first time. Okay, let's try to see what happens after 1 year. 260,000 9 over 8 we power 1. Okay, after 1 year the price of house is 292k. After 2 years already 329k. That means after 2 years it has already exceeded 300,000 for the first time. Okay, so of course after 3 years and all it's going to increase only, but when the first time it reaches 300k is 2 years. That's it.